Good day, CLC. Many of you know that about 8 years ago we bought a small little John Deere tractor to help us with land prep and plowing for the communities. Well, today we are putting our new tractor that you helped us to buy 3 spaces on the first piece of land. We just want to thank you. We really appreciate it, and this gift and blessing is going to be a thing that's going to change communities all over Swaziland and feed our nation. Thank you very much.